This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Spacious split level in established neighborhood, versatile floor plan with large living room, dining room, rec room, and office. Fresh paint and new flooring throughout, new stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, 3 bedrooms/2 baths. Large backyard with views of small lake, deck, and screened porch. Convenient to Langley AFB and easy access to I-64 and I-664. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.